Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel eBay seller account, beginner guide step by step. To cancel your eBay seller account, first, log into your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the account tab at the top of the page. Click on account settings from the drop-down menu. Next, locate and select the close account link. You will see a list of implications and considerations for closing your account. Read through this information carefully to understand the consequences. If you still wish to proceed, click on the option to continue. You may be asked to confirm your identity. Provide the necessary information, such as your password or security questions. After confirming your identity, you will reach the final cancellation page. Here, review the details of your decision one last time. If you are ready to close your account, click on the Confirm button. Wait for a confirmation message that your request has been received. Remember that it may take a few days for your account to be officially closed. If you have any pending transactions or sales, resolve those before finalizing the cancellation. Keep in mind that you can reactivate your account later if needed. Check your email for any confirmation regarding your account cancellation. Make sure you save any important information or data before proceeding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.